Alright, in this video we are going to review how to create this hover effect. So what simply happening is when I hover on this card, you'll see the image gets changed, the image will get changed and the slide text shows up in a transition way. To understand this, I'll leave the source code in the description in case if you got stuck somewhere, just copy paste it. Now we need a container. This container will hold three things. The first one is the gray background image, the second one is the colorful image, and the third one is the text content. So let me show you the HTML. This is the main container, and this is the first image, as I said, the second image, and finally the text container. So I have used the two event. The first one is mouse enter. As I mouse enter, the image will get replaced with an opacity, and if I mouse leave, the image will the second image will get opacity 0. I'm playing with the opacity with the transition, and as I hover on the image, the text content div, which is this one, text holder, shows up with the help of position relative.